is anybody going to be able to tell? That transition's so good. Today we're talking about the brand new Vianne topper from UniWigs. This is from their all new Origin collection, which boasts of this beautiful, gorgeous Remy Chinese human hair. Now, how this differs from some of the other Remy human hair products that UniWigs has is that it was originally virgin hair. That means before UniWigs touched it, it had never been touched or color treated before. It means that it gives it a little bit more durability. It should last you a little bit longer, and it will retain its color and softness for even longer. Now let's talk about the cap construction. So this is a true beauty. I love the cap size. It's 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So it's going to give you plenty of coverage. And then you're going to have that beautiful silk top, which gives you that super realistic looking scalp. And then the front, if you can see here, it's a little bit thicker than maybe your lace top or your mono top would be, but it's not overly bulky or thick. And this is the color 856R, which is ivory cream blonde. Absolutely gorgeous. Whenever I put on my toppers, I always start with these pressure clips closed. I do like that it comes with so many pressure clips, so that gives you a lot of security and hold when you're wearing your topper. So starting with those pressure clips closed, I kind of start from the back and bring it forward until I feel like the placement might be right. And then holding on to the top of the topper, I kind of scoop up a little bit of hair one at a time, clipping those pressure clips into place. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love this topper. So like I said, I already went ahead and moved that part line. To do that, it's really easy. You just need a little bit of water and a comb so that you can move it around how you like. I'm gonna get nice and close to the camera so you can see the blend and you can see the scalp. So another thing I like to do when I'm curling my topper with my bio hair is I like to take a little bit of my bio hair. So we'll pull out some of my bio hair and then some of the topper hair and kind of put them together, and then we're gonna curl those pieces together. Just doing this a couple of times really helps with the overall blend. I find this really helps with my blend throughout the day so they don't start to separate. Then I'm gonna follow up with, you can use a little hairspray or some, this is like a texturizing spray. I think that the hair is really soft right now because it's brand new and fresh, so it needs a little bit of texture. I would probably take either a comb or a brush and kind of just pull out those little front hairs to help. It really just hides that transition super well. Then I like to use a little bit of the hair building fibers, and I just kind of spritz it right here at that transition. And really, I mean, is anybody gonna be able to tell? That transition's so good. Oh, this is such a beautiful topper. She's gorgeous. Okay, let's talk about who this topper would be best suited for. Starting with anybody that cares deeply about the realistic looking scalp on your hair topper. Now, I know some people could care less about how the top of the topper looks because they don't think anybody's gonna be looking at their scalp, and I quite agree with that. However, I also understand that having a realistic looking scalp gives an extra boost of confidence and just looks super nice and natural and realistic. So if having a realistic looking scalp like this one is important to you, then this one might be a great topper for you. The hair, like I said, the hair is just so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. And the durability on this, it's gonna last you a really long time. The color also. So this color does not come in every topper. So if the color is like, that is the color for me, then this is likely the topper for you because it is a beautiful, beautiful color.